In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax report or transaction history from Binance in 2025. Whether you're using Binance.com or a region-specific version like Binance.us, obtaining these documents is vital for keeping your financial records in order, and it can certainly help you when tax season rolls around. However, keep in mind that there might be slight variations in menu names depending on your region, but the essential steps remain quite similar. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have a verified Binance account. You can't proceed without it, as access is crucial. You'll also need access to Binance via a web browser on your desktop. Alternatively, you can use the mobile app if you prefer. And as an optional step, you might consider utilizing crypto tax software to sort and analyze the reports better, especially if you're looking for them in specific formats. Let's begin by logging into your Binance account via the web browser. This provides a clearer interface and tends to offer more options than the mobile app, although both are viable. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Wallet section. Depending on your region, the menu might be labeled as Fiat and Spot, Funding, or something similar. From here, navigate to Transaction History, Order History, or Trade History. The naming can be different, but they all lead you to your financial details. Now, in this transaction or trade history interface, you need to locate the Export button or icon. It might appear as a download arrow or simply be labeled as Export. Spotting this option is critical, as it's your gateway to downloading the data you need. Before you click anything, you'll want to select the appropriate time period for your records. If you're looking for a full year's report, make sure you've chosen the entire span from January to December. Be aware, though, that many exchanges have a limit on how far back you can export data, so sometimes multiple exports might be necessary to cover the period you're interested in. Next, you'll come to an option menu where you can decide which types of transactions to include in your report. Binance offers various options like spot trades, margin trades, deposits, withdrawals, and staking rewards. You can also specify whether you want all assets included or just specific ones. After narrowing down your export preferences, choose the file format for your report. Binance typically supports CSV, Excel, or sometimes PDF. Selecting the right format is important, especially if you plan to import the data into other software or share it with an accountant. Once you've configured all these details to your satisfaction, hit the Generate or Export button. Binance will then take a moment to prepare your file. Sometimes you may receive an email or notification once the file is ready for download. Finally, download the report. With this file in hand, you can effectively compute your tax obligations, whether they involve capital gains, losses, or income from staking and rewards. Following these steps will ensure you have a clear and comprehensive overview of your cryptocurrency transactions, which is vital for staying compliant with tax regulations.